RealAgriculture.com is proud to bring you coverage of Farm Progress 2013 from Decatur, Illinois.
So I'm standing in front of our brand new disc drill here today. We just launched it last fall up in Western Canada, and this is the first time we're showing it down here at the Farm Progress show in Decatur, Illinois. This is an exciting new product for us. It fills a product gap in our seeding product lineup and allows us to expand our market potential and meet the needs of our customers beyond the hoe drill market in Western Canada, where we've traditionally been very strong with our Flexicoil legacy. The disc drill is a great product down here for the soybean and wheat growers. It provides a strong, durable product. It allows our customers to be more productive and get more acres done, which helps them out in the end of the year and helps their bottom line as well. And it provides a very accurate, consistent seeding job to be able to establish that crop the best that it can be and get it off to a good start for the season and set the maximum yield for the rest of the season. The heart of the system is the row unit. The row unit is the key to the seeding system, and we have one of the most accurate row units in the industry. Exclusive to us is a parallel link design on this row unit, and the parallel link design is used in planters. Pretty much every brand of corn planters out there uses the parallel link design to maintain the seed depth consistency. It maintains the angle of seed drop on the seed tube, which is critical to making sure that the seed is at the set depth consistently across the entire field, regardless of terrain, regardless of the travel of the row unit. This is an exclusive patented feature that we have on this disc drill, and it allows us to make sure our customers can establish the best crop possible. We also have a really easy to set depth setting. It makes a quick job of being able to move across the drill and set the depth as they change crops, and it's really easy to do, and it makes the farmer more efficient in getting started at the beginning of the crop season. We also have a different type of seed closing wheel and packer wheel. It's a wider concave wheel, and it allows us to expand our effective conditions that we do a really good job in seeding. This just does a great job in average soil conditions, but where it really excels as well is on the bookends, where we have very hard to close soil conditions. The scrubbing action and the rib allows us to close that trenches where other products may have trouble and leave open exposed seed. On the other side of the coin, when soft tilled conditions, it allows us to be able to back off on the packing pressure. It's a wider packing wheel, so it doesn't penetrate down into the soil to create a lot of ridges and a rough soil finish that the application sprayer operators later on won't like. It also allows us to do some on-row packing to be able to reduce those micropores in the air spaces in the soil and prevent the seed zone from being dried out, as well as it helps to wick moisture up into that seed zone and get better seed to soil contact. We also have very durable frame, yet we've designed it so it's very open and accessible as the operator goes through and maintains the product. It doesn't have as many frame members, so it allows them to get in there and replace the wearable parts, the seed discs and bearings and bushings and so forth, and scrapers. I talked earlier about durability, and that's a really key point here. The single biggest issue that when we talk to customers that they brought up about concerns and issues that they have with their current disc drills is durability. A disc drill, regardless of brand, is a high maintenance machine. It has a lot of moving parts, it has a lot of wear parts, and it's critical to be able to try and reduce the downtime in maintaining the machine, as well as reducing the cost. So what we've tasked our engineers to do is to make the wearable parts last longer, and then also when we do have to replace those wearable parts, to allow the customer to replace them faster so he can get back out in the field and reduce his downtime. And that increases his efficiency and his productivity at the end of the day. The last thing I'll mention is flotation. So our flotation wheels have walking axles on the caster wheels out here. This allows us to make sure that we're keeping both wheels in contact with the ground and sharing the load to reduce compaction, improve flotation, and reduce draft, despite the topography that drill might be going over. It's especially important over rolling ground as well as in areas that utilize terraces.